Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to import your company's data into QuickBooks. If you're switching to QuickBooks and you need to import your company's data safely, I'm going to show you how to do that without breaking a sweat. The first step is going to be to prep your data file. Now, if you're coming from another accounting system, you want to export your data into an Excel file. You can import lists like customers, vendors, chart of accounts, and products. Step 2 is to log into QuickBooks Online. Go to your dashboard and on the left menu, you're going to click the settings and then import data. Next, choose what to import. QuickBooks lets you to import customers, vendors, chart of accounts, products and services, as well as bank transactions, of course in CSV or QBO file. Click each category and upload your matching file. Next is to map your fields. QuickBooks will ask you to match your columns like full name, email, etc. to its format, and make sure the right columns are matched before clicking next. Next is to preview and confirm. QuickBooks shows a preview, so you want to review it carefully. Click import when everything looks good. If there are errors, QuickBooks will flag them so that you can fix and re-upload. Bonus tip, if you're importing full company files from QuickBooks Desktop, you want to use the desktop to online migration tools instead, because this preserves transactions and reports. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.